fun in your bumbo, huh? Do you like your bumbo? You look, you're ready to watch TV. Yeah. See, I'm drooling all over myself. Yeah. You having fun? This is Ethan's hanging out at his new house. He's hanging out at his new house while Mommy and Grandma and Grandpa unload. He's in charge. He's the manager.
What you doing, big guy?
He's managing the process. Sitting in his chair.
So I have all these servants working for me.
He's telling us what to do.
Barking orders. Ethan's barking orders. Right?
Right.
Tell Mommy how you want your room. You're so busy.
You need a toy.
Where's Eric? Where's Eric? Your buddy.
I don't know where it happened.
He's in the stroller. So I left him in the stroller. Yeah. Where is Eric, your friend? Huh? What you doing, buddy? You like your new chair?
Who's that? Who's that? Is that Eric? You want to give Eric a hug? No? He says, I'm busy. Yeah.
Busy drooling.
Yeah, see, I think we're going to start with teeth soon. Getting extra drooly. Say hi. Say hi. You want to hold him?
So usually I like Eric, but I'm so busy right now. I'm studying things and giving orders.
I'm going to head out. You want me to lift him down off there?
But he's busy giving orders.
Oh. I think he likes sitting up there where he can see everybody and he can...
He's busy boy. Ethan's a busy boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. They're blowing bubbles.
I love spitting.
Gee, I'm unaware of that, to tell you the truth. I knew